Hey guys, what's going on? Jimmy here. It's Friday. We're in the shop. There's some of the boys there. We have got a Kodiak 450 non-EPS here in the shop, going for an R4S track system that's going to be installed here now shortly. It's going to do a quick time-lapse video on it. Right now, Chad has just got the front brackets on for the track system. As you can see, got those already started. So you won't see that in the time-lapse, but you'll see the completion of the install on this machine there now coming up. And like I say, it's just a quick video. Chad doing the install on this. All right, so hope you guys enjoy. Basically a quick install of one of the rear brackets for the Camso R4S track system here on the Kodiak. So Chad, you can go ahead there and start putting the bracket on there. So it looks like you're going to loosen the bottom nut and bolt from the spindle, and you have a longer bolt and nut for the bracket, as shown here. Once I get over here, there you go. So longer bolt is through. Attach that nut. So like I say, you line that up here, drop your bolt down through, tighten that up, you are good to go. Another thing that's nice about the R4S system too is it comes with, so your angle of attack has to be adjusted on every track system and whatnot, but this actually comes with a level. As you can see, I believe this came out, well, this is the second year for R4S, but this will be, I believe the UTV come with that as well. They come with the leveling, the level arm as well. So that's pretty much the R4S kit installed here on the Kodiak. And like I said, that's pretty straightforward there. You just line up your track system there with your hub, your sprockets, and with your hub, and that's pretty much it. So it's not a huge job by no means, but like I say, a couple hours you'd be able to do that pretty quick, right? The T4S install, we'll get a video of those on the go now probably next week when we have another one of those sold, and we do have the Wolverine X2 coming in next week as well for install. So that's pretty much it. The time lapse is done, and yeah, so subscribe if you found this information useful or helpful. Take care guys, thanks.